Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add this NOL card to your Samsung wallet. So all you need to do is first go ahead and open up your Samsung wallet app. Okay, make sure it is up to date and also make sure that your phone has NFC enabled. So you just go to settings, go to connections, and then click on NFC and contactless payments. Make sure this is toggled on, make sure it's enabled. Then we're going to be adding our NOL card to the Samsung wallet. So since you already have it opened, just go to transport cards and then just tap on add a card and select NOL card. Okay, you just enter your NOL card details, things like your card number and other required info. Then you just want to go ahead and confirm and save it to your wallet. And next we're going to be using this NOL card with our Samsung wallet. So to make payments, ensure of course NFC is turned on, otherwise this is not going to work. Then you just tap your phone on the NOL terminal when you're entering or exiting the metro stations, buses, or trams, right? And your fare will automatically be deducted, right? Really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you. And if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions. And I'll see you guys in the next one.